Hello boys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do something different than what we usually do on the Code Gaming, and today we are going to review my new racing kit from Moza Racing, which they sent it to me for a review. Moza was very generous and they sent me a lot of stuff, so let's begin and see what I've got. First we will start with the base, and I will open that one and you'll see it looks pretty nice. The base I received is the MOZA R9 Base, which has a 9 Nm of torque from a direct drive servo motor. This base is supported only on PC for now, but Moza is working on compatibility with consoles for the future. The base is made from black aluminium, has a quick release in the front, and it's heavy 4.6 kilograms. On the front of the base is the connections for quick release, where you can attach and detach wheels quick and easy within seconds. So now let's see the back side. On the back of the base you have all the connections for the power supply, handbrake, you have an USB, and you have a port for the CM Racing dash from Moza, which will be reviewed further in this video. Overall, the design of this base is very simple. I really like it, and I think it's very nice design. Now let's see on the bottom of the base what we have. On the bottom of the base there are 4 holes for mounting on a table clamp, which you can buy from the Moza Racing website. Or you can mount this base on a sim rig without any problems. Moza was very kind and they sent me the table clamp, so we will review it now. So boys, this is the table clamp for the base, and this table clamp is very easy to use and to mount, and is designed for tables and desk up to 50 mm of thickness. Also supports multi-angle adjustment, and it's made from high quality steel. It's very durable and it's very good foundation for the base. On the top of the clamp there are 2 rubber pieces branded with the Moza logo, and they are very good protection between the table clamp and the base. The R9 base from Moza, it's simple, compact, and it's a very high quality product. So for now, that's it for the R9 base and for the table clamp. So let's continue with the next product. And the next product is this CS steering wheel from Moza Racing, and this is a 13-inch diameter standard racing wheel. The frame of the steering wheel is made from aviation grade aluminum alloy, which has a very good quality and rigidity. The rim wrap of the steering wheel is made from microfiber leather and is very comfortable for holding, and also feels very nice to the hands. The CS wheel has 6 programmable buttons with tactical feedback, which can also be mapped with these stickers, which they are provided inside the package of this steering wheel, which is very cool. So you can apply them on every button, even of the dials here. You can apply however you want. You have also little stickers here from Moza. I think this is pretty cool. Also there are 2 pressable joysticks on the top of the wheel, and has a 2-segment dials with crisp metallic sound and tactical feel. The CS wheel has also a customized quick release from Moza, which allows you to quickly remove or attach the wheel on any base from Moza Racing. So on the back of the wheel there are two forged carbon fiber magnetic shifters which are very stable and they have a firm feeling when they are pressed. The clicking of these shifters are very satisfying and I enjoy when I press them. So I think Moza did a really good job. Let's not forget to mention the RGB light indicator on the front of the wheel with 7 color shifter strips, which adds a very nice touch to the wheel. The connection between the wheel and the base is wireless with Moza 2.4G wireless signal technology that allows you hassle-free racing. Generally, very good steering wheel with a perfect 33 cm diameter for drifting, cruising and racing. And also this steering wheel is perfect for driving trucks in truck simulator games. The steering wheel looks very nice and feels even better when it's used. This is another very high quality product from Moza Racing, which I really appreciate that. So the next amazing product I received from Moza is the Moza SRP Pedals. The Moza SRP pedals are very good quality. Entirely they are made from high strength steel and seems like they will be very durable and stable while being used. The SRP pedals have a 75 kg high precision pressure sensor on the brake and 16 bits high precision magnetic encoder on every pedal. The connection of Moza SRP pedals with the PC is a direct with a USB port that's made them very easy to connect with the PC. The spacing between the pedals is adjustable, so they can be used in many different positions. On the bottom of the pedals there are anti-slip mats preventing the pedals from slipping while being used on any surface. The travel of the pedals is spring-loaded and is very consistent and smooth. Originally the SRP pedals come with brake and throttle, but additionally you can buy the SRP clutch pedal from Moza Racing website separately. I've also received the SRP accessory kit from Moza for the SRP brake pedal. This kit contains 2 springs and 1 damper, so you can create 6 different combinations of increasing damping and shortening the braking distance. I think this is very good option for setting the brake as you desire. The SRP pedals are very good quality. They look really nice and feel comfortable when you use them. This is an amazing product and I am very happy that I received this from Moza Racing. Thank you, Moza Racing. And now let's continue to the final product, and that is the MOZA CS HD Racing Dash. And the next product from Moza is my favorite product, and this is the MOZA CS HD Racing Dash. This HD dash from Moza serves to display the telemetry from the games. It's a 5-inch HD dash with a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels and has a 60 Hz refresh rate with 16.7 million colors, which produce an amazing and clear picture with all the info you need when you race. The design of the dash is very elegant and futuristic. It can be mounted on the top of the base with 2 screws, The Moza CM dash also has a liftable design and the head can be adjusted by your needs. The games that are supported are Assetto Corsa, Formula 1, Project Cars and many more. This dash also has 7 styles of high quality interface options, which I think it's amazing and make the racing experience even better. This racing dash can be bought from the Moza Racing website, which I will provide links for all these products in the description of the video. So boys, the first game we'll try, it's Forza Horizon 5. So let's see what performance we have here from the base and the steering wheel. First, the pedal shifters are amazing. The clicking sound is so satisfying and they are very stable and firm when they are pressed. By the way, they are a little loud, but you can make them quiet with the squishy stickers you get in the box provided by Moza. So you add them between the pedals and the magnet, and there they will be quiet. The force feedback is really good. It's very smooth and responsive. So you can feel everything on the road, every bump, everything. Upgrading from Logitech G29, this is another world, this is another story. There's so much difference, I cannot tell. It's like night and day. We also have the CM Racing dash from Moza, which presents you the telemetry, shows you the telemetry from the game, and it looks really cool. Also on the steering wheel the shifter light works perfect, which I find quite cool also. And there were some people on internet, I was reading, that they cannot make the force feedback to work on Forza. So it's very easy. You just need to go to Pit House, Moza Pit House, and go to external functions, experimental functions, and there you have the option for Forza Horizon compatibility. You turn that on and the force feedback will work. So it's quite easy. I will pop up that on the screen, how you enter there. So don't worry, the force feedback is working without problems. So now let's see another game. Boys, the next game we will try, it's Euro Truck Simulator 2. So let's see how this game performs with the CS steering wheel and the MOZA R9 Base. So this is a MAN truck. I made it automatic for this purpose. So let's see how the force feedback acts in this game. So I can feel everything, all the bumps, all uneven surface on the road, and the force feedback is so smooth. This is amazing. This is like real truck, guys. You can feel everything and it's very smooth. I mapped the pedal shifters for the turning lights indicators, and this is incredible. The difference between Logitech and this one, 1000% better. So very smooth, very responsive, really nice, really nice. Also the telemetry from the game works with the CM Racing dash, so you can see everything on the screen. The gears, the speed you go, you can change the speed in kilometers or miles per hour. So quite cool. You can see everything. Also the shifter light works on this game with no problem. I mapped all the buttons for something, so here you can change the GPS, here you can change the dashboard. So I will stop talking now and I will let you enjoy the gameplay. And also the pedals work very nice. The brake feels amazing and it's really responsive, like it should be, so you know how much pressure you add and how the truck will brake. And the force feedback, wow. Force feedback is amazing. Again, maybe I say this a couple of times, but what should I do? When it's good, it's good. Let's go here, U-turn. You can see all the bumps. Maybe you cannot feel, but I can feel everything on my hands. Super nice, super nice. I also mapped the retarder, so it looks like there are little buttons, not too many, but you can use them quite good because all the dial pads here and here the segment buttons are pressable, so you have 4 more buttons with that. So let's stop here and continue with another game. Let's see now the American Truck Simulator. So like I mentioned, the next game is American Truck Simulator. So we'll see how this game performs with the MOZA steering wheel and R9 base. So basically the force feedback and everything else is completely the same like Euro Truck Simulator 2. So the force feedback works really fine. It's really smooth. You also feel everything on the road, depends on how you set the settings in the game, but it's really works good, and the only thing that is not working with this game and works with Euro Truck Simulator 2 is the CM HD dash from Moza, because it's not showing the telemetry, so probably Moza didn't update it for American Truck Simulator, but I'm sure they will fix this in the future. And Moza, if you watch this, please add telemetry option for American Truck, because it looks amazing on Euro Truck, so I think it will be a really good thing if we have it on American Truck. And also what I find out on the telemetry, the gears are shown just up to 8th gear, so after that it shows like neutral. Everything other works good on Euro Truck, but also in Euro Truck it doesn't show after 8th gear, doesn't show the number on the screen. So please Moza fix this. And like I already mentioned, everything works the same on American Truck like Euro Truck, except the telemetry. So all the buttons are working fine, you can map them however you want. You have a bunch of buttons, you can use them for everything you need. I mapped all the buttons by my needs, so you can map them by your needs. Also, if you want, you can add the stickers on every button, so you know which button is for what option. And yeah, the force feedback works perfect on this game also. I said that before, I will say it now. So yeah, I think it's really nice, really nice equipment from Moza. Thank you Moza for sending me this. And now let's see the last game in this video. So that will be the Assetto Corsa. So we drive some cars in Assetto Corsa, and we will see how all the force feedback and steering in Assetto Corsa works with this R9 base. So let's go to Assetto Corsa. So boys, this is the last game we will present in this video, and this is Assetto Corsa. I'm sure that you are familiar with this game. This is very realistic game, and it's the best test for this direct drive MOZA R9 steering wheel and base and CS steering wheel. So we will see how the force feedback works, how it feels, and let's start. We have the Ferrari super fast today, and the first thing I can notice is the shaking from the engine on the steering wheel, which is really cool. And by the way, the base is so quiet, so you don't hear nothing, and no noise from the base. Now let's see how this performs. The force feedback is very smooth, and you can feel everything. By accelerating, you feel on the steering wheel. When you brake, you feel on the steering wheel. Every turn, the force feedback is perfect and smooth. also the pedals, the shifter pedals are amazing. I really love them. The telemetry in this game works fine. There is no issues and no problems. Everything is shown like it should be. So that's good stuff. And the buttons also, you can map them by your wish. There is no problem with that. I didn't find any problem with Assetto Corsa until now. So Assetto Corsa and Moza are very compatible, so there's no problem at all. And now I will stop talking and I will let you enjoy the drive in Tokyo. So boys, I hope you enjoyed, and the last thing for this video will be Moza Pit House, and we will see how that program works and how you can use it. So let's go and see how Moza Pit House works. So boys, like I mentioned, this is the Moza Pit House, and this is a software from Moza for adjust all the settings from their products. So here first on the home button it's the steering wheel, R9 Base and SRP Pedals. So here you can see if everything is properly connected. Pedals, the steering wheel and the base, and you can have some adjustments here like steering wheel angle and force feedback for the steering wheel and the base. Next also here are all the games are supported, and you can launch them from here. And next is the base setting. You have basic settings, and you have here the preset modes for drifting, Formula 1, performance rally. You can choose one of them and the settings will change for that one. You have also another settings here. I didn't have time to check everything. These are the default settings, but you can check everything. Wheel dumping, maximum road speed, force feedback also here, road sensitivity, everything. So here, and you can also create a preset by yourself, and you can load it if you need it, and export it and load it. And next is advanced settings. So here are more advanced settings for like natural inertia, wheel function, wheel friction, speed dumping, and a bunch of other different settings. You have also force feedback equalizer, so you can adjust that one also here. And this one is for soft limit stiffness, so you have in every setting you have this exclamation mark, and here you can read what these settings are and what will change in the base and the steering wheel, so which is pretty cool. You don't need to think what is this and what is that. Everything is explained on English here. So this is it for the base. Now we go for the steering wheel. Also steering wheel settings. You have a bunch of settings here: stick mode, engine RPM indicator, RPM indicator, display mode. We have two options. RPM indicator, timing. You can set here also the timing: early, normal, late, custom. You can change the color of the shifter light on the steering wheel. This one. So you can change the colors. You just take and cut this by interface or how you think it's best for you. And you have the brightness here. All these settings you can press here and go to default. So next are the pedals. Here you have clutch, brake, throttle. All the pedals can be adjusted with these output curves. So how they will act, you can adjust them with these curves. So you can change it. This is like preset, but you can also adjust by yourself how you need for different games, for example. You can calibrate here all the pedals. I recommend that when you plug them first to calibrate them, and it will be fine after that. Next is the CM dashboard, and this is the like styles for the dashboard, and on these styles you have everything for the shifter, gear, number. You have the position, you have the lap, fuel, you have the speed here in kilometers, and you can change it on miles per hour. Also you have lap time, everything you need. You have a bunch of different styles. I think there are 8 or 9. All of them looks pretty cool, so you can change for every game you want. You have the brightness here. Also the tire temperature can be shown in Celsius or Fahrenheit. For those who want Fahrenheit, we will say Fahrenheit. And that's it for the settings. Next are handbrake. I don't have the handbrake because Moza will send it me later. I don't have now, and then we will make a full review of the handbrake and we will see how this works. Next we go to the settings for the firmware. So here you can see if your firmware is up to date. You can check with this button, and the software will check. Mine, they are all up to date. So you can, if it's not, you can upgrade it here with one click, and it will upgrade everything. You can also, if you have some problem with the version you have, firmware version, you can roll it back the previous version. So that is also interesting and cool. So you don't need to lose time for thinking what's wrong and what's the problem. So you just can roll back and see if that will resolve the problem. But I recommend to have the newest version all the time updated, because you will need it. Moza all the time makes updates on this software, so it's better to have the newest version. Next we go to the settings for system tray, system settings. Forgive me, this is system settings and not system tray. And here you have the language settings. You can choose different languages: theme, light, dark, boot up, hide it, the system tray, close Moza Pit House settings. How do you want to stay minimized to system tray, or you want to exit from the Pit House, the version of the Pit House, updates. You can check for updates from here also, error report, and that's it for these system settings. You have recover and reset, so here you can recover or reset the base, steering wheel, and here you have the calibration of the pedals, factory reset. You have everything in this program. This program is amazing. And the last one is the experimental firmware command. So here you have the older versions of software. So I have this one, the latest one. And the important thing for Forza Horizon 5, like I mentioned before, is this base Forza Horizon compatibility. So this needs to be turned on when you play Forza Horizon, and with this on, you have all the settings and force feedback from the game to the base, to the steering wheel, so everything will work fine. You will have the force feedback, you will have shown everything on the CM dashboard from Moza. All the telemetry will be shown. So it's important this one to be on when you play Forza Horizon. This is another option for pedal Horizon compatible mode, but this is not supported. And you have iRacing indicator mode. This is set to beginner mode. So these are the settings. I don't want to forget to mention that everything here can be adjusted, all the settings from the mobile phone, because Moza has an app for a mobile phone, Android or iPhone, doesn't matter. So you just go to App Store or to Google Play Store and you find the Moza Racing app. You install on your phone, you connect through Bluetooth with the base, and you have all these settings on your phone, so you can adjust everything from your phone, which is very cool and interesting. So you don't need a PC to configure everything. You can just do it by your phone. And this is everything from now, and this is the last review of some Moza product for this video. I hope you enjoy in this video. I hope I give you a good information about the Moza products. I want to thank to Moza for sending me all this for review. Thank you, Moza, very much. All these products are really nice quality. They are built very good and they are working properly. The games I tried, they work properly. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to the Code Gaming and give us a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. I wish you all of you a great day and all the best.